What's up, my people? Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be strictly all POV, no face, no case. This is a simulation. Welcome to Forza Horizon 5 PS5. We about to get into some action tonight, man. The golf hour is outside. Hope y'all enjoyed last video with the A6. Gonna have some more content with that coming up very soon. Tonight is all about the Mark 6. I don't know if I have enough air pressure on my tires. I have a slow leak and I didn't check it before I left. So when I get to the gas station, I'll check it. Right now, I feel like that shit is low. So, yeah, let's hope it's not. I just filled it up with air the other day, all the way to 40 PSI, but that shit was at 13. But that was after the car was sitting for like a good 4 or 5 days, so I don't know, I guess we'll see. Whee! Hopefully it's not too bad right now. But tonight we're gonna get well, a run in with one of my boys. Going to 2 meets also in an undisclosed location. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun night. Strictly all POV, like I said. I don't know, I want to try something new out, so gonna have some fun. I'll pick back up with y'all once we are in Long Island, because I'm in New Jersey right now. We gotta go all the way to Long Island, which is an hour and 40 minutes, if you can see that over on that side. So long drive ahead. I gotta get gas. I forgot to get gas before I left, and I was rushing out the house. So yeah, if there's any action on the way, you guys will see. If not, well, I'm gonna go listen to my dembo and gonna have a fun night. Let's go. Up top. Want to do a 60? Nope. Go 60 to bring it. My head. Ouch. Sheesh. See, that's what I'm saying. Like, I knew the GTI was going to take it. Because one is lighter, number 2 is a coupe. But for me weighing more, we're actually staying pretty damn close. For me. Sounds fire. There's probably mad wind noise for y'all. I'm so sorry. I don't have my mics today. Well, I do my mics, but I can't set it up for the GoPro, unfortunately. But I mean, there was some good runs though. Definitely some good runs. It was fire. But like, yeah, bro. So I feel like honestly. So here's the thing, right? That's a AAA. This is a 113. Honestly, his gearing is a lot. I feel like he either revs higher or his gearing is way shorter than mine. I mean, way longer than mine. Can't even brake boost because of fucking what's the name? Damn. Good runs though. Definitely good runs. I feel like if it was a 4-door, then it'll be like a little bit closer. Cause honestly, for him, number 1, 888. Number 2, Garrett K04. And then number 3 being a coupe and only a front wheel drive. And for me to still keep up, like, that's fire. Tune cooking. Tune is, what the fuck type of road? Nah, yeah, bro. Tune is definitely cooking for me to do all that. I was not making that shit, bro. Nah, yeah, Tune is definitely cooking though for me to be still keeping up. Nah, but I think definitely because if you hear, I'm shifting way earlier than him, but I can only reroute to 7K. Like I'm like just under 7K with the DD.Performance tune. With the UNITRONIC, I mean, yeah, I can go to 71, but like it wasn't like pulling to 71. What the fuck just hit my car? This fucking turbo sounds amazing, bro. Nah, yeah, bro. She's pulling good though. I just feel like if I had better gearing, it'd be better. That's main so what I need. Well, I can't even say what I need. It's not like I can change that, but I feel like I have. It's either, I'm pretty sure it's not really the gearing. I'm pretty sure he can just rev higher because his tune is a lot different than mine. And obviously, just from him telling me, I know he revs a lot higher. So he has more wiggle room basically to like keep going. Me, I don't have much. It is what it is though. Yo, that shit moving, baby. Hope y'all saw the flames too at that joint. That shit was crazy. Hopefully I got it for me. Oh shit, what the fuck? Bro, I be forgetting sometimes what gear I be in this freaking shit, bro. His up top, he just pulls way harder up top. So I guess AAA for the win, huh? AAA for the win, huh? I mean, honestly, yeah, he just pulls way harder up top. Turbo speaking right now, baby. Is that a cop? That's a cop. I guess what? I don't know how many pounds more. Oh shit, that's the cops. Them niggas on the way. Alright, we good. I thought I had 5 stars real quick, I'm not gonna lie. I thought I had 5 stars, bro. Yo, the GoPro got hit it and everything is crazy. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, my heart sank to my butt. I'm like, bruh, the fuck am I about to do? Like, I was flashing at him like, bro, the light is green, go, go, go. I'm like, oh shit. I'm like, yo, we gotta book it before they hit that corner. Hit that corner, they gonna see us type shit, bro. I was like, bro, we gotta book it before they hit that corner. And then Ant, bro, man, started, they blacked the lights out. I'm like, yo, no way. Yo, that's crazy. Nah, cause I saw a car that was sitting next to the train tracks. I'm like, bro, nah, that ain't cops. I ain't seen no ambers. It's crazy. Oh, we over here now. Okay. Excuse me.